It's a beautiful day. It's a rosé day, as it says, all day rosé. So, hello. There you go. Everybody's friendly, guys. Hello, guys. Welcome to another video from beautiful New York City. So today I'm at Meatpacking and 5-star hotel journey continues. So we're gonna go to the Standard Hotel, which is one of the most coolest hotel in the city over here, and see what the hotel has to offer. Again, I am not doing any room reviews yet. That's going to happen probably sometime later in the year, but let's go and check out the restaurant and the bar scene and see what the hotel has to offer. So come on, guys, and let's get this video started. So excited. So guys, a little background and history about the meatpacking area. 20 years back, this place used to be nothing but warehouses. Now it's one of the hottest areas of the city. There's cool restaurants, bars, etc. So, hello. Hello. There you go. Everybody's friendly, guys. So as I was saying, this place totally changed about 15 years back, and now there's restaurants, bars, hotels, everything over here, all kinds of fashion stuff. So this has become one of the hottest neighborhood, guys. So I know if you're a New Yorker, you must know this, but I'm just telling, you know, what my viewpoint is. So let's go to the Standard Hotel and let's check it out, guys. Wow, look at the Standard Hotel, guys. See how beautiful the entrance of this place is. So everybody's kind of chilling around. It's a weekend, having some brunch. This is such a beautiful, beautiful facade. So guys, got a table at the Standard Hotel. We'll order some brunch. It's a beautiful, beautiful sunny afternoon. Early summer, late spring, so it's still kind of cool, but very nice. So let's see what this place has to offer food-wise. Wow, look at the nice sparkling wines. White wines, rosé, red, everything is over here, guys. The brunch selection looks good too. There's eggs, steak and eggs, standard omelette, eggs benedict, breakfast sandwich, and of course avocado toast, potato pancakes, lobster roll, all of that stuff, guys. And of course fantastic side, yummy, yummy, yummy. Can't wait, guys. So guys, order some really good stuff, some ceviche, prawn cocktail, and also some great rosé. So can't wait, guys. The food is coming. It's a beautiful day. It's a rosé day, as it says, all day rosé. So guys, got a great glass of rosé over here. As I said, it's a beautiful late spring and early summer day, so this is the best day for rosé. Cheers, guys. So it's a Bandol, it's a French rosé, and it's fantastic, guys. This is the start of summer, as I said, so we will be drinking a lot of rosé this summer, and I will show you all of that. Look at this shrimp, guys. This looks so fresh. Absolutely fresh as they get, and with the tartar sauce, can't wait to dig in, guys. And that's the ceviche, guys, so fresh. So guys, whoa. Guys, this is so good. Fresh shrimp. Wash it down with some rosé. Just fantastic. Just absolutely fantastic. Guys, having the ceviche. Yummy, yummy, yummy. A little spicy. Fresh fish in this kind of cilantro sauce. Look at it, guys. Excellent. A1. Nirvana. Guys, the food food was just fabulous, and so is the drinks, and this beautiful, beautiful afternoon over here. So, almost done over here, but the story continues, our journey continues. I'm going to take you around meatpacking and show you some of the great areas of meatpacking, how people are just chilling out and just partying and having a good time. So, this is always in New York City. There's always everybody over here. So cool guys, let's go and let's continue with this whole video. And if you are loving my video, please do hit the subscribe button and please hit the like button guys, if you are loving my videos. And please put a comment below and let me know if other places in meatpacking I should be visiting and showing you guys, because I live over here. I can show you all these places anytime you tell me to. So thank you for watching and thank you for your support. Guys, one of the most famous things about the Standard Hotel is, of course, it's next to the skyline. And of course, they have a very famous beer garden. That beer garden is one of the most famous beer gardens in the city. Look at this, how beautiful this beer garden is from outside. And there is a line. There is always a line to get inside that beer garden. From day one since it has opened, it has been the case. So guys, at the beer garden, look how cool this place is. This is just fabulous. It's probably one of the first beer gardens in New York City, and look at the vibe over here. This is just happening, guys. Just happening. I love the Standard Hotel because of this. People are playing table tennis, having fun. This is how a weekend afternoon is over here, guys, at the beer garden. Everyone, we are in front of this place called the Icecream bar, liquor infused ice cream bar, guys. This is just very interesting. Look at this. Old-fashioned ice cream bar. Look at this. And this place is called, as I told you, liquor infused ice cream and coffee avocado. So let's go inside, guys. Let's go and check it out. Let's see how it is. Can't wait. Let's go. It's very interesting. Guys, got this ice cream right now. It's a passion fruit with champagne. How cool is that? Passion fruit with champagne. Let's try it out. I'm going to actually sit outside and do this because it's so beautiful outside. Absolutely need to sit outside, right? I came inside just to show you how this place is. It's just fabulous. How cool this place is. Guys, this is the moment of truth, guys. The passion fruit champagne sorbet. Let's try it out. You can definitely taste the passion fruit. I don't taste that champagne that much. Probably it's going to hit me later on. That's what's going to happen. It's when you don't taste the alcohol, that means you know what's going to happen soon. It's going to hit you so bad, guys. But it's tasty. Fantastic. I'm going to also try out this. It's a Kentucky creme brulee. Look at this. And it has got some bourbon in it. I love bourbon, guys. I think I like this better. I like the bourbon. I knew it, I'm going to like this better. This used to be a landmark of the meatpacking district. This used to be a club called Cielo, and there used to be a line to get into this club. I remember coming over here many nights and standing in line. So it's old memories, guys. Now I love the graffiti over here. Meatpacking has gone through so many reincarnations. I don't know, this is like the 8th version of meatpacking. As I said, that this used to be one of the biggest clubs over here called Cielo. Now it's all graffitied, all boarded, all shut down. I think it got shut down even before the pandemic. These are old memories. We used to all stand in line over here to get inside the club. This is what's great about New York City. There's always transformation, new places and new things are coming up. New York City and meatpacking is always rediscovering itself, guys. So behind me is a kind of a plaza area where everybody can sit over here, get food from any of these restaurants. You can just get food right from here, from Serafina's or any other neighborhood restaurants, and just sit over there and just chill, absolutely chill, and have a great time during the summer months. So guys, if you're in New York City, definitely come to meatpacking. I know you'll come because it's a very, very famous tourist destination, but I'm just showing you on all the favorite places that I like to go to. So definitely Standard Hotel is one of them. Serafina is another behind me, and that ice cream place with the liquor ice cream place that I took you to, that's another great place. And of course there's Pasties, guys. I'm going to just walk over in front of Pasties and show you how Pasties look like. So let's go and let's keep on this video going on, guys, because there's a lot to discover. We are not over yet. Guys, we are in front of Pastis. This is where it all started. Pastis is the first restaurant to open up in meatpacking when nothing was here. Of course, they have changed their location. This is the new Pastis, but this is where all started. This was the little kind of this French bistro that was the first one to open up when this was like absolutely there was nothing over here. As I said, it was nothing but warehouses and just meat slaughtering houses, and a lot of shady characters used to go around over here. But that has changed a lot. But that New York City also was actually pretty cool, guys. That's the New York City I like, and I still like this city too, but that was a different character where there used to be like all kinds of different sorts of people over here. Not so, I would say, mainstream people that used to kind of hang out over here in the evenings and at nights, but we used to come over here to Pastis and sometimes go and have a drink, have a dinner, have some dinner. So Pastis is very near and dear to me, especially kind of my early years in New York City. So I hope you loved the little afternoon trip today to the meatpacking. We'll be doing much more of these kind of trips, especially now that the city is open, it's summer, it's so beautiful. We'll be just going about and discovering all kinds of different neighborhoods and showing you all the nice places, the places that I like, and the places that I like to show you in my city. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to end the video over here tonight. And good night and goodbye from New York City. Until the next time, guys, thank you so much for supporting me and watching my videos.